how a chief data scientist looks at articles and different alerts that come my way. So my intent is to go anywhere from 3 to 5 different articles during every episode. I'll give you my thoughts on them. I'll also provide a screenshot on the screen so you can see the headlines that I'm referring to. And then I also might give out just different pieces of advice or things from my life or things about, what's coming up in episodes or whatnot. Just kind of mix things up and keep things a little bit different than a standard video release. So I think it'll be fun. I'm willing to listen to your feedback. So if there's something else that you want to change about the format or anything else, please leave it in the comments below. Also, please like and subscribe. It helps keep me motivated and it helps the channel to grow, helps all the algorithms display my content a little bit more. So I appreciate it if you would take the time to do that. Again, it just kind of helps everything grow and, it keeps me motivated to keep on producing content for all of you. So today I'm looking at my notes over here and I'm seeing 3 different articles that I'd like to talk to you about, 3 different things that kind of caught my eye.